Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm missing Miami. I'm missing Miami a lot. And I'm also missing more Cuban food. So we're gonna make some Palomilla steak. Basically, it's like a really thin steak with onions. They call it Bistec Palomilla or Bistec Encebollado. But I can't wait. I can't wait to smell all the smells of Miami in my kitchen and get all excited about the food. Come join me in my kitchen as I cook. For today's video, we're gonna need garlic, onion. I have naranja agria, which is bitter orange, and black pepper, salt. I have some parsley. I'm just gonna put a little bit, and very thin beef top round steak. If you have sirloins, that's fine, but we're gonna make palomilla, so it's gonna have to be really, really thin for this. All right, so I've sliced up the onion and I'm gonna chop up 10 cloves of garlic. I've chopped up now the garlic and maybe a tablespoon or two of parsley, and that's just for decoration. Well, not for decoration. I like the green in the onions, so I think it makes it look pretty. So now we're gonna start the marinade. Here is about a quarter cup of that orange, the bitter orange. I'm putting salt and pepper. You put salt and pepper to taste, guys. And I'm gonna add all this garlic in there and the parsley as well. So now I'm gonna grab all this and make sure we're nice and stirred up. And I'm going to marinate the beef in that for 20 minutes. So let me get it all mixed up. I'm gonna cover it and let it sit here for 20 minutes. I'm adding some oil, some olive oil into a pan. This is where I'm gonna cook the steaks, but before I cook the steaks, let me get some of these onions in here. And I'm gonna start cooking them down a little bit. I'm also throwing in some of the parsley as well. We're just gonna cook this down until they start getting softened. And that's just pre-cooking it while our steak marinates, because I cook the steak on high heat, and because you don't want it tough, guys. So I cook it on high heat, and then I don't want the onions to be raw when I'm done. So I'm just gonna cook them a little bit and then cook them again, finish cooking them, I should say, when the steak is cooking. So I might actually set off my smoke alarm for the second time today, but let's get the steaks in here. I'm gonna start searing them down. And here you can tell that I'm using 2 different cuts of meat because we had to go back to the meat market to get more steaks. And these are gonna cook, these are super thin, so they're gonna cook really fast at high heat, guys. And the smaller steaks were freshly cut off a top sirloin like an hour before I started cooking for this video. Once you get a sear, a little bit of a sear, I guess. Oop, that one was folded. Let's try that one again. Once you get a little bit of a sear, just flip it over. And then we're gonna take them out and continue cooking the other ones. Okay, so I'm taking this out. And I'm gonna put the other ones, then I'm gonna put them back in to finish cooking. They're super thin though, so it usually doesn't take too much time. I just wanna seal the flavor in for now, and then we will continue cooking them with the onions and stuff. This is gonna taste so good. My house smells like I'm in Miami. It's so good. The kids are excited. I'm excited. The neighbors passing by are like, wow, we smell the good smells in your kitchen. I'm so excited. I haven't had one of these in a long time, guys. All right, now I'm gonna put some oil, and I'm gonna start adding our steaks back in. So they can finish cooking. And get some color. And I'm just going to add whatever fits in here right now. And I'm going to add our onions. But we're just going to continue cooking this down. And this goes against everything that I know to be true for steaks, guys, but it works. Look at that. And then those onions pick up the flavor of the meat, and it comes out nice and tender and delicious. Let's get one more in here. Right here. So we're almost done. I'm going to serve this next to a bed of rice, some black beans, and I have some plantains, some ripe plantains that I'm going to fry up right now. We're done, guys. It smells so good. It really does smell like I'm in a restaurant in Miami, and I can't wait to dig in. Look at how that looks. It came out so great. Let's go taste it. Okay, before I taste this, because it's getting cold, I'm gonna cut into it to see, because this meat is so thin, it's really easy to make it really nice, you know, really hard and tough, but not at all. So now I'm gonna go taste it, and I'm so excited, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna taste it now with lots of onions. I think I got some on me. Oh man. That's so delicious. I'm gonna get some rice and beans, but of course we know this is good. I don't know why it keeps looking so close. Guys, this is delicious. And my peeps are getting hungry. But they're not coming yet, so I'm gonna eat. Guys, I've been transported back home to Miami. I'm at one of the Cuban restaurants down the block, and it's delicious. I can taste the marinade. You don't discern whether it's orange or not, but it just makes the meat so tender and soft and gives it such a good flavor. It's just the right amount of salt. Guys, salt and pepper to taste. The onion and the garlic are delicious. You guys want to taste it? She's pouting. You want to taste it? Okay, I'm going to let you guys taste it, but I haven't cut enough pieces. So here, you want to taste it? What do you think about it? Good? It's good. You like it? You want a plate? Do you think you don't want a plate? You're not going to have dinner?
I think I want 2 plates.
Oh boy. Another hungry mouth over here. No? I'm going to eat it. Okay. I lost. Okay, guys. You just want to look at yourself? Yeah? Alright, sorry. If you like this video, go ahead and hit like down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Bon appetit. Guys, the top round, or whatever I showed on in the beginning, is not as tender as the other one, the sirloin, shaved really thin. That's the way to go.